Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the essential steps to clear various caches on your Windows 10 PC. This process will help boost your computer's performance, resolve common issues, and free up valuable disk space. Let's start with removing temporary files using disk cleanup. Open the Start menu and type Disk Cleanup in the search bar. Type Disk Cleanup into the search bar and select the Disk Cleanup app from the results. Disk Cleanup will analyze how much space you can free up on your system drive. Once the analysis is complete, check the box next to Temporary Files and any other locations you want to clean. Click on Clean Up System Files to proceed. After Windows recalculates the storage space, select the files and locations again and click OK. Confirm the deletion by selecting Delete Files. The cleanup process might take a few minutes, so be patient. Next, let's flush the DNS cache. Open Command Prompt as an administrator by searching for Command Prompt in the Start menu. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type IP protocol configuration/flushtons and hit Enter. You'll see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache has been successfully flushed. Now, we'll reset the Windows Store cache. Open the Run dialog by pressing Windows+R on your keyboard. Type wsreset.exe into the text box and click OK. A black window will briefly appear as it clears the cache. Wait until the Windows Store launches with a blank screen and a loading sign. Once the window closes, the cache is cleared. Finally, let's purge the location history. Click the Windows icon and select the gear icon to open settings. Alternatively, press Windows+I. In the Settings window, scroll down and choose Privacy. In the left-hand pane, select Location under App Permissions. Scroll down to Location History on this device and click Clear. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your temporary files, DNS cache, Windows Store cache, and location history. Regularly performing these maintenance tasks will keep your PC running smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.